Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well and enjoying the break. I'm Isha, one of your mentors for the Python programming class, and in this video we will be installing Anaconda for Python and we'll be using Python version 3.7. There are many ways to access Python such as idle, Jupyter, and much more, but in this video we will cover installing Anaconda. First off, we need to open a new tab on our computer or laptop and then go to www.anaconda.com on your web browser. After you reach there, select Products and a drop-down menu should appear. On that drop-down menu, the first option is Individual Edition, and that is what we are going to select. Once you click Individual Edition, scroll down and you will find a download button. Click this button and your page will scroll down to the very bottom. From there, select your corresponding installer. I will be selecting the 64-bit graphic installer for the Mac OS, but if you have a Windows or Linux, click on one of those Anaconda installers. After you do this, the Anaconda package file will start downloading. It'll take a minute or so. Great, the Anaconda installer has finished installing, so we'll click on it. And for this step, we're going to keep clicking continue until every step is completed. So we're going to click continue here, continue, 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 agree, install. And here again, it's going to take a couple more minutes. So here I'm going to stop or pause recording and then continue recording again. Anaconda has completed installing. So we're going to click continue and close and keep. Now to open the code editor itself, we have to open Anaconda again. So we're going to go to Launchpad and click Anaconda Navigator. Double click and it should be opening up. I'm just going to make the screen a little bit bigger so that it's easier to see. And to open up the correct code editor, we're going to come under this Jupyter Notebook and click Launch. And here it's going to open up. And we're going to click New Python 3. And there you go. That is your code editor, and here you can code, create projects, and explore. Great job everyone. I really hope this video helped you, and thank you so much for watching.